Hello and welcome to today's lecture. Okay, today we are going to look at the single vowel sounds, second line. Okay, I hope you had good practice with the first line, and you must notice that your muscles are actually tired. If you are doing it correctly, your mouth will be tired. You are exercising muscles. Okay, so for this video we will look at the second line of the vowel sounds. Okay, so let's practice a little bit. Let's warm up a little bit. Okay, the first sound, please repeat after me. Eh, eh. So if you look, the lips are open and the mouth is open. Eh, not completely. Eh, ah, eh, e, eh, eh. Okay, so the second sound is actually the most important sound in English because it's the only one with a name. We call it the schwa, and there is a complete lecture for this, but it's later. Okay, so don't worry. I will explain all about this later, but for now, please repeat after me. So this sound is very soft. It's almost like you are not trying to make a sound and just go Okay, don't go ah. That's wrong. So again, So eh. The next sound, So if you notice, in this one, the mouth is the same, the jaw. But the lips now are starting to come in at the sides, and you must lift them up at the top and the bottom. So in and up and down. Okay, so again, and then a little bit more, the last one, oh. So this one we open the jaw. Okay, so again, oh, oh. Okay, so you can see the lips are very important here, but still, again, you must pay attention to everything. These muscles here, the lips, these muscles here, okay, the jaw opening and closing, and the tongue. So the tongue, the tongue is fine. And then we go, the tongue is relaxed again, all right? The tongue, again, doesn't change position. It's in a normal position. And the last one, oh. In this one, the tongue comes back slightly. Okay, so let's start looking at every single sound. The first sound is all right? The expression, all's well that ends well. Okay, so all's well, well, L, ends well. Okay, so all's well that ends well. Okay, you notice my mouth opens when I pronounce this, the lips. Why? Because needs open lips. So again, all's well that ends well. Okay, our one syllable word here is any. Now, I know it's spelt with an A, but the pronunciation is with an So again, any, any. The two syllable word here, heavy, he, heavy, heavy, heavy. And the last one, the three syllable word, adventure. So again, adventure, adventure. Okay, let's continue. The schwa. Okay, so in this one, I told you, please look at the weak forms lecture. I would like you to come back. All right. So when you get to the weak forms lecture, please come back to this one and try it again. In this one, if I say London, it's important. If I say is, it's not important. Normally we give it a weak sound like the schwa. London is, not is. London is. Bigger. Anytime you see this ER at the end of a word, with British pronunciation, it's bigger. London is bigger. Okay. Than, it's not an important word. Again, a small vowel sound. So than. London is bigger than Tokyo. Okay. So the important words, pronounce strong. The sounds that are not important, we give them the schwa. So that's why this is difficult. Okay. So don't worry. Let's continue. So the next one is the. But if we pronounce it soft, like normal, in a normal sentence, it's not the, it's the. Please repeat again. The. Our two-syllable word here, the end is ER, and like bigger, this one goes teach, teacher, 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 not teacher, teacher, teacher. Okay, the three-syllable word is the same, it's the ER sound at the end, but the word is bigger. Imposter, imposter, imposter. Okay, let's move on. The next one, I know it looks stupid. You are probably laughing now. But remember, you must practice the muscles. Start big, But I don't talk like this normally, but I talk like this if I want to make my sounds clear. Okay, if I want to communicate very well. So, again, So, the early bird catches the worm. So, early bird, worm. The early bird catches the worm. The early bird catches the worm. Okay. So our one-syllable word here is her. Her. Alright? His, her. Our two-syllable word is the opposite of hungry. It's thirsty. I want something to drink. I am thirsty. And the last one is, something is a little bit crazy. It's disturbing. Okay, excellent. And the last sound in this lecture is O. It's the same as horse. Okay, so the expression is horses for courses. Horses, courses. It's this O sound. Okay, so our one-syllable word is more. O, more. Our two-syllable word is before. Before. Okay? And the three-syllable word is thoughtfully. Thoughtfully. Okay. Thoughtfully. Alright. So, again, please repeat after me. O. So again, o. Alright. So, you know the homework. Please do the 10 times practice. So 7 times slowly, 3 times fast. I want you to practice every day this week, and then next week, every second day. Alright. Remember, don't practice more than 5 minutes every time. Okay? Alright. That's it. Happy studies.